Hi, hello, welcome to Smita Sir's Academy. Today we are going to discuss important topic of second PUC. So, which is a maximum marks, weightage of the maximum marks, 17 marks, 17 marks. So, that is the differentiation. From this chapter, you are going to get 17 marks in all the parts. That is a MCQ, 2 marks, fill in the blanks, 1 mark, 1 question, 2 marks, 1 question, 3 marks, 1, 5 marks, 1, and 4 marks also 1. Total 7 questions and 17 marks. This is a MCQ, fill in the blanks, 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks, 4 marks. In all the branches, in all the parts, we are going to get minimum 1 question. Minimum 1 question. So, total 7 question, 17 marks. So, very important topic, right? Then first, we start with the some formulas. Okay. So, in first stage, we have total 16 formulas. So, in the first stage, first we try to remember these 16 formulas. By using these formulas, we are going to solve 2 marks as well as 3 marks problems. Okay. So, first one, derivative of the function is denoted by f dash of x. If any function f of x, if suppose y is equal to f of x, then differentiation or derivative of the function y, that is dy by dx. Differentiation is denoted by dy by dx, or else y dash, or else f dash of x, or capital dy. So, or y1 is the first order differentiation. First order differentiation. These are the notation for the differentiation, right? So, f dash of x is defined as limit as h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x whole divided by h. This is the definition for a differentiation. Okay. In the second formula, y is equal to, or f of x is equal to, if f of x is equal to x to the power n, then derivative of this function d by dx of f of x, that is a d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. D by dx of x to the power n is n into x to the power n minus 1. So, here x is variable, n is a constant. When function and constant, function to the power constant is there, then we are going to apply n into x to the power n minus 1. Similarly, third formula, d by dx of any constant, I will consider this one as a c. C is a any constant, number irbodu, or else any alphabet other than x and y in the first stage, right? So, if d by dx of any constant is 0. Third one, fourth one. So, d by dx of root x. See here we have x to the power n. 9 x is a function, n is a constant, right? Whenever x is a constant function, then n is a constant, we are going to apply differentiation formula n into x to the power n minus 1. Now, see, observe this one, d by dx of root x. Now, I am saying this one as a formula. By this one only, we are going to solve this one. After that, we are going to use this one as a standard formula, right? So, this can also be written as a d by dx of x to the power 1 by 2. Here, in place of x, we have x only. In place of n, we have 1 by 2, right? Comparing these two. So, this implies wherever n is there, substitute 1 by 2. X to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. So, after simplifying this one, we get 1 by 2 x to the power minus 1 by 2. Take this one to denominator, we have x 2 into 1 upon 2 into x to the power 1 by 2. X to the power 1 by 2 can also be written as 1 upon 2 root x. So, d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Next, differentiation of trigonometric functions. See here, again I am going to write the trigonometric function in the same order only, which we have discussed in competitive part, right? So, d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. Similarly, d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Third one, d by dx of tan x, that is x square x. D by dx of cot x, that is minus cos x square x. Right? Next, d by dx of sec x, that is sec x into tan x. Next, d by dx of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. Right? So these are the first stage formulas. Still we have, see here how much we have, 16, but now we have 10. Right? So next one, d by dx of a to the power x. What is the formula for a to the power x? A to the power x into log a. D by dx of exponential, that is e to the power x, is equal to e to the power x only. Sorry. See here, as we know that differentiation of the function, if y is equal to f of x, then differentiation of this function is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of f of x. If suppose we have more than two functions, that is the addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, there also we have some standard formula. So if suppose here I will consider, let u is equal to f of x and v is equal to g of x, where f of x and g of x are the functions of the x only, right? So f of x and g of x, then this can also be d by dx of addition of these two functions u plus v. Addition of these two functions, differentiation of this function is du by dx plus dv by dx. Similarly, second one, d by dx of u minus v is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. Third one, d by dx of u into v is equal to, first I will keep second function constant, differentiation of first function plus first function constant, second function differentiation, that is dv by dx. Fourth one, d by dx of u by v is equal to, keep second function constant, du by dx minus keep first function constant and differentiation of second function dv by dx whole divided by v square. These four important formulas where we are going to apply in the sum of two functions or addition of two functions, subtraction of two functions or multiplication or quotient of the two functions. So these are the 16 first stage formula. So note it down. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, when the function is directly in terms of x only, right? If suppose consider note y is equal to f of u, here u is a function of x, that is I will consider u is equal to g of x, then what is the differentiation of this function? See here, directly it is not in the function of x, right? So dy by dx is nothing but d by dx of f of u into d by dx of g of x. So it is called a chain rule. For example, here as we know that d by dx of x to the power n is n into x to the power n minus 1, right? So if suppose this function d by dx of u to the power n, in place of x here we have u, but u is a function of g of x or in terms of x, right? So then what is the differentiation of this one? First we have to write same formula, wherever x is there I will write u only. That is the n into u to the power n minus 1. Again, we have to differentiate d by u function, that is du by dx. For example, I will consider here d by dx of sin u. Sin u is nothing but sin differentiation is cos u and u differentiation is du by dx. Right? As we know, the sin function, sin differentiation is cos x. Right? Sin x is differentiation is a cos x. Then what about sin u differentiation? Cos u into du by dx. For example, see here, one small example. If y is equal to sin 1 minus x. Sin 1 minus x. dy by dx is equal to sin function differentiation. Sin differentiation is a cos 1 minus x. Again, we have to differentiate d by dx of 1 minus x. Right? So, keep this function as it is, first term, that is cos of 1 minus x. What is the differentiation of 1 minus x? See here, u minus v, it is in the form of u minus v. So, this can also be done as a first formula problem. So, I am going to explain it in detail. Right? So, next, cos of 1 minus x. Differentiation of 1 is constant, that is 0. Differentiation of constant is 0. And differentiation of x is 1. So, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So, that is minus cos of 1 minus x is the derivative of the sin of 1 minus x. Note it down. So, next important, the following questions may ask in MCQ. So, in the first part, we are going to get 2 questions in MCQ. One from continuity and one from differentiation. Right? So, d by dx of cos of 1 minus x is a cos function and 1 minus x is also a function. It is in the form of chain rule, that is u. Right? So, then differentiation of cos is minus sin of 1 minus x. Then differentiation of 1 is 0 and minus x differentiation is minus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So, minus into minus plus. So, sin of 1 minus x. All option of maybe in both minus sin of 1 minus x, sin of 1 minus x or sin of x minus 1, etc. So, the correct option is sin of 1 minus x. Right? If suppose d by dx of sin of x square plus 5. So, what is the sign of x square plus 5? Sign differentiation is, we know that cos, write it first, cos of x square plus 5. Now, differentiate x square plus 5. X square differentiation is 2x because by applying x to the power n formula, that is d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1, where x is x only, here n is equal to 2, here n is equal to 2, so therefore 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1, 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1, that is 2x only. Here 5 is constant, differentiation is 0. So that is answer is 2x into cos of x square plus 5. Right? Note it down. So next question. Tan root x, d by dx of tan of root x. Here we have 2 functions. One is a tan function, another one is a root function. Both are in the form of f of u. Right? Tan differentiation is we know that sec square root x. Sec square root x. Now again we have to differentiate d by dx of root x. Right? So sec square root x, differentiation of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. So that is d by dx of tan of root x is sec square root x divided by 2 into root x. Don't cancel this root x and this root x. Both are different. Okay. So next, d by dx of sin of x square. Sin of x square. Sin x differentiation is cos x. What about sin of x square differentiation? So cos x square into x square differentiation is 2x. Right? Next, differentiation of e to the power minus x. D by dx of e to the power minus x. We know that differentiation of exponential function is e to the power x. But here we have coefficient is x coefficient is minus 1. Then e to the power minus x into minus 1. Because again we have to differentiate minus x also. Right? E to the power u form. Note if first one sin of ax plus b, here a and b are constant, then differentiation of this function, that is d by dx of sin of ax plus b. As we know that sign differentiation is cos only, right? Cos of ax plus b. What about ax plus b differentiation? Into x coefficient, whatever is there, write it as it is. Similarly, so d by dx of cos of ax plus b. So cos differentiation is minus sin of ax plus b into a. That is minus a sin of ax plus b. So right. We'll solve some examples on this one. So if y is equal to 2 cot x square, if y is equal to 2 into square root of cot of x square, now differentiate this function. Idu MCQ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರಬಹುದು. Okay, so differentiation of y is dy by dx. 2 is constant, keep it as it is. Root x differentiation, we know that d by dx of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, right? So now I am going to write this one here, comparing these two. In place of x we have cot x square, right? In the first step I will write 1 upon 2 into square root of cot x square, because in place of x we have cot x square, so write it as it is. Now what is the differentiation of cot here? Cot differentiation is minus cos x square into x square. What is the differentiation of x square? 2x. 2x. So here 2 get cancelled. Now we remains with minus 2x, this minus and 2x into cos x square divided by square root of cot x square is the solution for the given differential function. So note, so again I am going to write two more formulas, d by dx of log x and d by dx of a to the power x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x, and differentiation of a to the power x is a to the power x into log a. See here, d by dx of x to the power n is different, a to the power x is different. It is function to the power constant, it is constant to the power function. Both are different only. Okay, here we have formula n into x to the power n minus 1. But here we have a to the power x into log a, where a is any constant. A is any constant. So here, consider example. Sorry. Differentiation of sin of log x is a sin differentiation, we know that is cos. Write it as it is, cos of log x. Then what is the differentiation of log x? That is 1 by x. So is the solution of the differential equation. What about 2 to the power x? 2 is constant, x is variable. So I am going to apply this formula. So that is 2 to the power x into log 2. 2 to the power x into log 2. What about d by dx of e to the power sec square x? As we know, differentiation of exponential function is same only, e to the power x only, right? So then what is the differentiation of e to the power sec square x? That is e to the power sec square x. Again we have to differentiate sec square x. That is again I am going to apply e to the d by dx of u to the power n. Recall this one. What is the formula for this one? N into u to the power n minus 1 into du by dx, right? So here in place of n we have 2. In place of u we have sec x. So this is into 2 into sec x. N into u to the power n minus 1. Again we have to differentiate d by dx of sec x, right? So e to the power sec square x 2 sec x, and sec x differentiation is sec x into tan x. So solution is 2 sec square x tan x into e to the power sec square x. So is the solution of the given differential equation. So next question, if y is equal to e to the power 3 log x, then find dy by dx. Then what is the differentiation of this function? This can also be written as here y is equal to e to the power log x cube, because here I am going to apply log third property, logarithm third property. Log m to the power n can also be written as n into log m. So 3 into log x can also be written as it is in the form of this one. I am going to write this one as a log of x cube. Here base is same, e and e. Then directly I am going to write this one as y is equal to x cube. Whenever we have base e as well as base e, then the function is equal to x cube. It is also log property. So then what is the differentiation of y is equal to x cube? Differentiation of y is dy by dx, and x cube differentiation is 3x square. So answer is 3x square. Right? Next, if y is equal to under root e to the power root x, where x is greater than 0. MCQ baro chances adava idar. If y is equal to under root e to the power root x. Here we have three functions. What are those? First one is root. First we have to differentiate root formula. So that is dy by dx is equal to. Easy apply ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. Simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ every time d by dx of ಬರಿಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Directly we are going to write the solution, right? So what is the root formula? 1 upon 2. In place of x, what we have? Root of e to the power root x. Now what is differentiation of e to the power x? E to the power x only. But here we have e to the power root x. So e to the power root x. Then what is the differentiation of root x? So root x differentiation is 1 upon 2 root x. Now simplify this one. So we get here e to the power root x, because e to the power root x into 1 into 1. So that is e to the power root x. Divided by 2 into 2, 4. E to the power root of e to the power root x into root x, which is the required solution. Right enough. Next, we discuss important 2 marks questions. So here, if y plus sin y is equal to cos x, then we have to find dy by dx. So 2 marks. Here given is y plus sin y is equal to cos x. Then y differentiation is dy by dx, plus sin differentiation is cos, that is cos y. What is y differentiation? Dy by dx is equal to cos x differentiation is, it is cos, that is minus sin x. All c's are negative. Remember this one. Okay. So next, in these two we have dy by dx is common. So take it outside. Dy by dx. Here we remains with 1 plus cos y is equal to minus sin x. Then here we have to find dy by dx, right? So dy by dx is equal to minus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. So which is a required solution. Note it down. Next question. Find dy by dx if x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100. So 2 marks. Again 2 marks. So here given is x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100. X square differentiation is 2x plus here it is product of two functions, u into v formula apply. So keep x is constant, then second function differentiation, that is dy by dx, plus y constant, x differentiation is 1, plus y square differentiation is 2y into dy by dx is equal to 100 differentiation is a constant, that is 0. Constant differentiation is a 0. Now 2x plus y, one group Here we have dy by dx. Here also we have a dy by dx. So take it common. So dy by dx we remains with x plus 2y is equal to 0. Now transfer these two to LHS, RHS. So we get dy by dx x plus 2y is equal to minus 2x minus y. That is, I will take minus and outside. So we get minus of 2x plus y. And here we have to find dy by dx, right? So dy by dx is equal to minus of 2x plus y divided by x plus 2y, which is the required solution. Note it all. Next, find dy by dx. Third one. Find dy by dx if 2x plus 3y is equal to sin y. Here solution. Given function is 2x plus 3y is equal to sin y. Right? Then differentiation of this function. 2x, 2 is constant. X differentiation 1, right? 2 into 1 is 2. Plus 3 into y differentiation is dy by dx is equal to sin y differentiation cos y into dy by dx. So take this one to this side. We get 2 is equal to cos y into dy by dx minus 3 into dy by dx. In these two we have dy by dx is common. I will take it this one outside. We remains with here cos y minus 3 is equal to 2. Then dy by dx is equal to, yep, plus side, okay, equal to. So dy by dx is equal to 2 divided by cos y minus 3. So differentiation of 2x plus 3y is equal to sin y. Then differentiation of function, that function, given function is 2 divided by cos y minus 3. Write it down. One more. So fourth one. Find dy by dx if sin square x plus cos square y is equal to k, where k is any constant. So solution. Here given problem is sin square x plus cos square y is equal to k, where k is constant. Remember this one. So sin square function is differentiation is, it is in the form of u to the power n, right? So this can also be written as differentiation of sin square x is 2 sin x. And what about sin x differentiation? Cos x. So sin square x differentiation is 2 sin x into cos x. Similarly, cos square y differentiation is 2 minus, wait, first we differentiate u to the power n formula, 2 into cos y. Now differentiate cos function. Cos function differentiation is minus sin, so that is minus sin y. Y differentiation is dy by dx is equal to constant differentiation is 0, right? Here this can also be written as 2 sin x into cos x plus into minus, minus 2 sin y into cos y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Take this minus 2 sin y cos y into dy by dx to RHS, becomes positive. That is 2 sin y cos y into dy by dx is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Or else here we have to find dy by dx, right? Dy by dx is equal to 2 sin x cos x divided by 2 sin y cos y, right? So here 2 get cancelled. We remains with sin x into cos x divided by sin y into cos y. Or this problem has another solution. Here we have dy by dx is equal to 2 sin x into cos x divided by 2 sin y into cos y, right? This can also be written as 2 sin x into cos x is nothing but sin 2x. This is nothing but sin 2y. So this is also the solution. Don't cancel sin and sin. Okay, both are function only. Next question. If ax plus by square is equal to cos y. Then find dy by dx. Here given ax plus by square is equal to cos y. Here a and b are constant. Huh? So ax differentiation is a only because x differentiation 1. Plus b is constant, keep it as it is. So y square differentiation is 2y into dy by dx. And cos differentiation is minus sine. So that is minus sine y into dy by dx. So take this minus sign to LHS plus a to RHS, right? So it becomes positive sine y into dy by dx plus 2by or yb into dy by dx is equal to plus a to RHS, that is minus a. Here in the LHS side dy by dx is constant, take it outside, and we remains with sine y plus 2by is equal to minus a. So then dy by dx is equal to minus a divided by sine y plus 2by is the required solution. Next question, if root x plus root y is equal to root 10, then show that dy by dx plus whole root of y by x is equal to 0, or else dy by dx is equal to minus under root y by x. You add because so 2 marks are very important. So solution, maximum time here given is a root x plus root y is equal to root 10. Root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x plus 1 upon 2 root y. Then root 10 is constant. Don't write 1 upon 2 root 10 because it is a constant 0. Maximum students say 1 upon 2 root 10 Allah. Okay. So this can also be written as into dy by dx here. So dy by dx because function is y. So 1 upon 2 root y is equal to into dy by dx. So transfer this one to LHS, RHS. We get minus 1 upon 2 root x, right? So take this one to numerator. We get, so that is a transfer to RHS goes to numerator. That is a dy by dx is equal to minus 2 root y divided by 2 root x. So 2 get cancelled. This equal to minus whole root of y by x because numerator is also root x, root y, denominator also root x. So this prove aita. So that is dy by dx is equal to minus of square root of y by x. Take this minus of square root of y by x to LHS becomes positive. That is whole root of y by x is equal to 0. So which is a required solution. Very important 2 marks. ಇನ್ನು ತನ ಯಾರು ಸುಬೇದಾರ್ ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗ್ರಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಇನ್ನು 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಟಿಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್.